Fully renovated, 4-level modern house dito sa BF Homes Parañaque. Meron tong spacious roof deck, big garden, at 6-car garage. Meron tong lot area na 307 square meters. At eto na yung living, dining, and kitchen area combined. Ang floor area nito nasa 585 square meters. Meron tong 4 bedrooms, plus maid's room and driver's room. At lahat may own bathroom. Ito yung covered lanay, overlooking your garden. Pwede ka pa nga magpalagay ng swimming pool dyan, no? Panoorin mo yung full house tour nito sa YouTube channel ng Home Search Philippines para makita mo yung buong second floor, yung third floor. At kung gusto mo itong makita, tawag ka lang. Follow ka na rin ha, kasi dito mo makikita ang dream house mo. Semi-furnished house din ito, meron ng kasamang mga AC, mga blinds,